Struggling to manage dozens of LLM APIs, drowning in diverse integrations, endless API keys, and escalating costs? What if there was one gateway, one unified endpoint to access any large language model, optimize spending, and simplify your entire AI stack? Today, we're mastering OpenRouter. This isn't just another tool. It's the critical missing piece for multi-LLM API management, saving developers countless hours and massive budgets. The problem is real. Building robust AI applications often requires multiple LLMs, one for summarization, another for coding, a third for creative writing. Each model, a different API schema, varying rate limits, unique authentication, and separate billing. It's an integration nightmare. Developers spend more time on boilerplate plumbing than on actual innovative AI features. This drastically slows down development cycles and increases potential error points. Enter OpenRouter. It's a universal API gateway providing a unified interface to over 100 different LLMs, from OpenAI to Anthropic, Cohere, Google, and many open-source models. Think of it as a smart proxy. You send requests to OpenRouter, and it intelligently routes them to the best-suited, most cost-effective LLM in real time. The benefits are astounding. Firstly, significant cost optimization. OpenRouter helps you find the cheapest model for a given task, often with better performance. Secondly, unparalleled flexibility and speed. Switch models on the fly without changing a single line of your application code. Experiment and iterate faster than ever. Thirdly, simplified API management. One API key, one rate limit to monitor, one billing dashboard. Consolidate your LLM infrastructure instantly. All right, let's dive into implementation. First step, visit openrouter.ai and sign up. It's free to get started, you only pay for usage. Once registered, navigate to your dashboard to generate an API key. Treat this key like a password. Keep it secure. Now for the code. OpenRouter is brilliant because it's compatible with the OpenAI Python client library. No need to learn a new SDK. Import the OpenAI client. The magic happens by simply changing the base_URL parameter to OpenRouter's endpoint. Remember to set your OpenRouter_PY_key as an environment variable for security. Never hardcode API keys directly into your applications. Here's a basic completion request. Notice we're specifying Mistralize/Mistral 7b instruct as our model. OpenRouter supports hundreds. This works just like an OpenAI call, but your request is now routed through OpenRouter, accessing a potentially cheaper or faster model. Now, let's explore advanced model selection. OpenRouter allows you to specify a list of models to try, effectively creating fallbacks. If the primary model is down or too expensive, OpenRouter automatically tries the next one. This significantly increases the reliability and cost efficiency of your application. To use fallbacks, simply provide a comma-separated string of model names to the model parameter. OpenRouter handles the rest. You can even provide custom model routing logic through OpenRouter's dashboard, setting rules based on cost, latency, or specific use cases. What about streaming responses? Yes, OpenRouter supports streaming just like native OpenAI APIs, essential for real-time user experiences. Beyond Python, OpenRouter offers official and community-maintained SDKs for JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, Ruby, and more. Integrate seamlessly into any stack. Think about the real-world impact. Imagine building a dynamic AI agent that intelligently selects the best LLM for complex tasks, or a content generation platform that uses a cheap model for drafts and a premium one for final polish, all through one API endpoint. Customer support chatbots can leverage specialized LLMs for different query types without complex backend logic. Even A/B testing different LLMs becomes trivial. Simply change the model string in your OpenRouter request, and you're testing new capabilities. Monitoring your usage and costs is crucial. OpenRouter provides a centralized dashboard showing token usage, costs, and response times across all models. This unified view is a massive advantage over tracking individual LLM provider bills. Get instant insights into where your AI spend is going. To optimize further, explore OpenRouter's model marketplace. Each model lists its pricing, allowing you to choose the most economical option for your needs. OpenRouter is more than just an API gateway. It's a strategic decision. It reduces technical debt, accelerates innovation, and dramatically cuts costs. Imagine deploying new LLMs in minutes, not days. Imagine never worrying about an individual provider's outage again, thanks to built-in fallbacks. This is the future of multi-LLM development, a unified, intelligent, and highly efficient approach. So, stop drowning in API keys and boilerplate. Start mastering OpenRouter today. If you found this tutorial valuable, smash that like button. Your support helps us create more content like this. Subscribe to the channel for cutting-edge AI insights and development guides. Have questions or your own OpenRouter tips? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.